Alright, everyone, let's get started. Our topic today is elephants. We all know they are messy, but I want to dig deeper into what actually makes them special. Chung, when you think of an elephant, what's the first thing that stands out to you biological?
For me, it had to be the species diversity and their physical adaptation. There are actually three types: the Africa bush, the Africa forest, and the Asian elephant. You can tell them apart by their ear. Africa elephant here have a ear shaped like the continent of Africa.
That's a cool detail too. But we can't talk about the look without mentioning the chalk. It's not just a nose, and it has about 40,000 muscles. The use is for everything from breathing and smelling to very delicate tasks, like picking up a single peanut or a tiny blade of grass.
And don't forget the toes. They are utterly overgrown teeth. Elephants use them for digging for water or stripping bark of trees. It's a bit sad. Though, because the toes are exactly why they've been hunted so much throughout history.
That's great point. But it's their bedroom and their biggest danger. But moving past their physical side, what about their minds? We ever or heard the saying an elephant never forgets. Chung is that a mind.
Actually, it's very real. The temporal lobe, which handle memory, is highly developed. The mature, the female leader can remember the location of watering hole from decade ago. This memory literally sails the herder during a row.
It's more than just math too. I read that they recognize individuals, humans, and other elephants even after years apart. They've even passed the mirror test, meaning they recognize their own reflection. And very few animals see self-aware like that.
Hmm. So that shows they aren't just acting on instincts. They are actually thinking and problem solving. It puts them on the same intelligence level as dolphins or even red elephants.
If they are smart, they must have complex and emotion too. Then you usually look into animal behavior. What did you find regarding their social bonds?
This is the most touching part for me. Elephants are one of the few species known to mourn their dead. They have been seen standing in total silences over a fallen family member, touching the bond gently with their chalk. Is incredibly human-like.
I agree, and they are so protective of their young. When a calf is born, the whole group of the females, the nannies, have raised it. They even communicate through infrasound, which are low-frequency vibrations that travel through the ground for miles.
Yes, so they basically take music through their feet. That's amazing. It shows how they function as a single unit, not just a bunch of individuals.
So they are smart, emotional, and high tech. To wrap this up, why do they matter for the planet? Why are they called keystone species?
Because they literally engineer the environment. By knocking over trees, they create clearings for new plants to grow. They also dig water holes that other animals rely on during the dry season.
Plus, their dung is like a mobile filtering. It's full of seed that gets spread across the forest. Without them, the entire ecosystem would basically stop up.
It's a powerful reminder that if we lose elephant to poaching or habitat loss, we aren't just losing a beautiful animals, we are losing a health of the whole savanna.
Exactly. They are the architects of the view. Thanks, everyone. I think we are covered why the dance truly and special.
Bye bye.
Thank you for listening.